Hello, beautiful people, welcome back. If you are new here, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, today I'll be doing this easy glam cut crease eye makeup, and you can recreate this look for any wedding or party. So, today's video will be a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Please make sure that you're watching this video till end. So without any further delay, let's go. So here I have done my one eye to make it more easy. Today I'll be using my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the shade Nude Rich, and I'll be taking a lighter pink shade and will apply it on the crease of my eyelid. Guys, you have to make sure that you are taking a very tiny amount of the eyeshadow because these eyeshadows are really pigmented, so you have to blend it really well. So next I'll be taking a deeper pink shade and will apply at the outer V of my eyelid to make it more intense, and this way your eyeshadow will look very flattering. So the same I'll do with my inner V. Then I'll be blending that eyeshadow really well so that there should be no harsh lines popping through. Then I'll go for more darker shade and make my eyeshadow more intense. I'll do the same process again and again till I'm not happy with the intensity of my eyeshadow. Then I'll go for the dark brown shade and put it on my inner V and outer V for more intensity. Then I'll go with the lighter shade and put it all over my lower lash line, and I'll try to connect it with my upper lash line. So next I'll take a tiny amount of concealer on the back of my hand and will cut a crease in the middle of my eyelid. For this I'll be using a flat brush and put that concealer just in the center of the eyelid. So the best trick is to look up, and there you got the cut crease. Make sure to blend it well. So next I'll take my Kat Von D loose powder to set the concealer, as this is a very important step to always set your concealer with a loose powder or translucent powder. But please make sure that you are taking a very tiny amount of powder, otherwise your eyeshadow will not blend very easily. So next I'll be taking that beautiful gold shimmer and pop it on my center of the eyelid. This is a beautiful shimmer, guys. The texture is so smooth and easy to apply. I'll just go again and again and make it more intense. Next I am going with the lighter pink shade and blending that shimmer shade with the matte color so that there should be no harsh line. The same I am doing with the inner V to blend it well. So next I'll be taking the same concealer and put it on my edges to make my eyeshadow more neat and crisp. And make sure you are blending that. This way your eyeshadow will look more bright and neat. So now it's time to apply some dramatic eyelashes. This I have done off camera, and look how pretty this eyelashes is. So next I'll go ahead and put some eyeliner to hide the eyelash glue. I'll be applying liner very close to my lash line and try to create a simple wing. So next I'll be taking some kajal and put it on my upper waterline. This way your eyes will look really big. The same thing I'll do with my lower waterline. You need not to be very crisp while applying the kajal, because any which way I'm going ahead and blend it and smoke it out. So here I'm taking a small fluffy brush and smoking it out. So now it's time to apply some mascara. I'm putting it on my lower lash line and upper lash line. Then I am taking some concealer and brightening up my under eye. This way your eyeshadow will look more brighter. So next I am taking some highlighter and put it on my inner corners to make my eyes more bright. So yeah, that's my complete look. Hope you guys will like it, and if you want to recreate this look, please do tag me on my Instagram account, which is in the name Shreya Sharat Saxena. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you in my next video.